Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to troubleshoot and fix the issue where your header is not showing on all pages in WordPress using Elementor. Stick around as I walk you through the steps to ensure your header displays seamlessly across your entire website. Let's jump right in. First log into your WordPress dashboard and then navigate to Elementor templates, or just go to your website and then click on Edit with Elementor. These two conditions include display this header on this page, and exclude does not display this header on this specific page. Then click on save and close. Go to your website and refresh the page, and here it is. You have successfully learned how to show header on specific page and how to not show the header on the specific page. If you found this troubleshooting tutorial helpful, please consider liking this video. Subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tips. Do not forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new content. Thanks for watching.